Hi guys, it's Miss Joanna. I just fixed my screen. So I'm going to do a science experiment with you today about gummies. Since you guys just watched this really great video on gummy bears and the adventure of a gummy bear trying to watch a movie, I decided to do a science experiment about gummies today. And I don't have gummy bears, but I have gummy lifesavers. So what I have is 4 jars of water, and you can do 2 or you can do 3. I got excited and I was going to do 4. So I'm going to take 1 of these and put it aside and just do water. So I'm going to put my red gummy in this water, just plain water, and I'll put it over here. I'll see. Okay, so I've got this one here. Boop. And then I'm going to take some vinegar, and you can use whatever kind of vinegar that you want. And I'm going to put, I don't know, a tablespoon or so of vinegar in this water. And I have like unfiltered apple cider vinegar. But you could use white vinegar, you could use rice vinegar, whatever you have around the house. And I'm going to put this light green gummy lifesaver in here. Oh, we'll see what happens with that guy, huh? And then put the cap back on the vinegar. And then I'm going to put a couple teaspoons of salt in this jar. Oh boy. Got some salt in there. Gonna stir it up. Okay, so that's a salty water gummy bear situation. It reminds me of the time that we tried to float the egg in the salt water. You guys remember that experiment? That was a fun one. I'm gonna put the orange lifesaver in the salt water. Then I'm gonna eat this one because I am curious and I just wanted to do something different. I'm gonna put 2 marshmallows in this plain water over here. And I'm just curious to see what will happen if they sit for like 4 hours like these gummy savers are gonna do. So I have a weird control over here that is a marshmallow. I have salt water with a gummy in it. I have vinegar water with a gummy in it. And I have regular water with a gummy in it. So what we're going to do is we're going to let these sit. We can let them sit for 2 hours. We can let them sit for 4 hours and observe what happens. And then I'll come back to you later and we'll see what happens and if these gummies change in these different kinds of waters. We can talk about why they might do different things in different kinds of waters. Now, I don't think they're going to get up and dance, but they might change size. That's my hypothesis, is that they will change size. So, I want you to think about, are we going to eat these after we're done? No, I'm just going to eat this one that's not been in any water. Okay, you guys, I'll check back in an hour. No, I'll check back in about 4 hours. Goodbye.